Hey, do you want to learn how to turn on the virtual camera and its drawbacks? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm currently on Link controller, Insta360 Link controller, and you can see me currently through the Insta360 Link 2. All right. Now, in order to turn on the virtual camera, you can see here on the top right, you can click on this and turn on the virtual camera like this. And the light is going to blink 2 times. Your webcam green light is going to blink and then is going to switch to the virtual camera. So in any third-party software, you can output the virtual camera stream. You just need to select Insta360 virtual camera there. The thing with the virtual camera is that you can use the virtual background, the smart whiteboard, and the makeup. That's the use case for virtual camera, to be honest. And also, the Link virtual camera currently does not support 50 FPS and 60 FPS. All right. Now, if you're using it in OBS like this, you just need to go ahead and set up a cam source. I've made another video on how to set up Link to in OBS. You can check it out. And after that, you need to go to properties. Inside it, select Link to instead of going for virtual camera, but you can select virtual camera if you want to use those features that it provides here. Be sure that you would not be able to select 60 FPS if you go with virtual camera. Also, if you need the virtual background, like changing the background here, if you want that, then yeah, go for it. But I'm going to show you some drawbacks of using this feature as well. All right, so over here, you just need to select the virtual camera, and then you can select device default or go with custom if you want to set the resolution to 4K from here or 100p. And if you go with Link 2, you would be able to select the resolution 100p with FPS 60 FPS. If you want to enable 60 FPS, you need to go here in more in compatibility settings. Just check this first one, which is portrait resolution and high frame rate. All right, now the drawback. Let's go over here and right click taskbar, task manager. As we select the virtual camera, you can see here in processes, I'm going to show you the virtual camera service over here. It's going to take up some percentage of your CPU, and as you set up more of these effects here, so let's say I turn on bokeh effect like this, and I can go over to the task manager. This is going to bump up, like you can see here, 29%. I can go over to performance here, and just like you can see, the GPU is turned on. My GPU is turned on and it's at 70%. That's a lot. It just looks like a mountain here. 59 degrees Celsius is just increasing my GPU temperature with the percentage. Also in CPU, you can see that it's spiked up, so 80%. This is not going to be good for you if you're using it for streaming, like game streaming. If you want to do that, it's not really worth it. Just turn off the background and it looks much better. And if you turn on this portrait resolution and high frame rate, you would be able to select 60 FPS, but for that, you need to turn off the virtual camera from here. So if you want and need to change the background and such like this, or do a bokeh effect and all, then yeah, go for it. And or if you want to do a makeup like this, do you really want to do that? If you want to do it, sure, go ahead. For this, you do need to turn on the virtual camera. But otherwise, you just need to go over here in your OBS or Zoom. Just right click it, go to properties and select Link 2, which is your default device directly connected. You do not need the virtual camera here. Even with Link 2 selected, you would be able to go here and you would be able to change some of these color settings, and it will retain that in your device. And you do not need the virtual camera at that point. You can change the temperature, autofocus, exposure, and a lot more. You can even turn on the HDR here if you expand it. And when you turn on the HDR and the next time you select it in OBS, it's going to retain that settings inside the device itself. So it's better to not open up the Link controller. It's the same issue with OBS bot as well. And yeah, that's it. That's how to use the virtual camera and its drawbacks. I've shown you both. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and on the right hand side, you can find more Insta360 Link 2 related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.